Why do dishwashers never wash the dishes?
If it's called a dishwasher, it should actually wash the dishes.
One day reading the Bible, I read Ezekiel 36:25.
Then will I sprinkle clean water upon you, and ye shall be clean. Then I knew what I had to do.
So I built my own dishwasher. I call it the Paulus Ezekiel 36:25, ye shall be clean machine. I just load it up. I don't even rinse. Sprinkle clean water. Let's go. Look at that. Ye shall be clean. The Ezekiel 36:25, ye shall be clean machine rocks. You can buy yours now at conradrocks.net.